Hello, Promeneo Tech. My name is Ryan Anderson. This is the week 10 homework assignment for the back end December 2022 boot camp. Here we go. So, for this week, we've made some updates to our overall application. In the main method here, we created the list projects option, and we updated the list projects option. Boy, I'm all over the place. Sorry. We added in the list of operations, we added the list projects and select a project option. And then in the processing of the user selections, we added the list projects and select projects options. And so on and so forth. We have any number of new methods included here. We have the list project method that basically gets into the information on what projects are there. We have the select project method, and so on and so forth. We have the create project method. That was already there, though, so that wasn't really new. And then the user selection and everything like that is all kind of the same. In the project service area, we added some new things as well. Once again, we have the list project, and we have that fetch project by ID option as well that was updated. And then in the Project DAO, where a lot of the work was done this week, we were creating all the interactions with the schema and tables specifically down here on how to access them and how to pull them up and whatnot when we run it through the console itself. So let's take a look at some of these consoles then. Let's take a look real quick at dbeaver. We had to insert a lot of these things in there because we don't really have any information as of yet in there. So we had to join that information into these tables and insert that stuff. And so we insert some, like a category. In this case, it was doors and windows. The materials required, the steps required, and then also that information kind of joined it with project category and stuff like that. For that, I had values 1 and 1 because I only have right now one project and one category. This is how it all looked in the end. So this is that first console we ran. We were testing the list projects option, put it in there. Connection to schema projects was successful. Projects available we had was hang and door. Once we had everything in there, we did something a little bit more. So in this case, we selected 3, which was select a project. The only project we had was hang and door, so we entered number 1, and this is the information that came up. It said the ID, hang and door, the estimated hours, the actual hours, difficulty, notes, and then it lists the materials involved. We now have the materials, at least we have the screws and the number included. We don't have the cost put in yet. Again, for steps, basically step 1, screw door hangers on the top and the bottom of each side of the door frame. And then the category, again, we place this in doors and windows. So that is the update for the project application this week. I hope you enjoyed it. Once again, this is Ryan Anderson for the back end December 2022 week 10 video/homework assignment. Have a great day.